Taraon version of Chinese long soup with duck kidney, dried mushroom, radish, pork bones or ribs, and chicken feet.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Taraon nagsasabing food is life. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and comment for any suggestions, and subscribe now and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos to come.
Kumusta mga kapodi? Ito naman po sa Taraon nagsasabing food is life. Ngayon po ay magluluto po ako ng Chinese long soup. Mga ingredients po sa pagluto ng Chinese soup ay ito yung 497 grams na radish, 276 grams na chicken feet, yung ribs natin na 284 grams, ito yung dried mushroom na 266 grams, yung duck kidney na 77 grams, yung salt, at saka 4 liters of water. Ito na yung water natin. Nag-boil na siya. Ilagay natin yung mushroom. Yung ating pork ribs. Chicken feet. Yung radish. At yung duck kidney. Boil lang natin siya. Low fire. Cook natin siya ng boil natin siya ng salt. Mga 2 teaspoon of salt. Ito na yung soup natin. Nag-season lang tayo ng 2 teaspoon of salt. Then, tikman natin siya. Try to taste. Okay na siya. Don't forget to like, share, comment for any suggestions, subscribe today, and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos to come. Thank you for watching. God bless!